Guys, have you heard of chicken skin nachos? Grabe, dito namin yung na-try sa Tolits Peri Peri main branch sa Bocaue, Bulacan. Kasi ang dami na palang branches sa Manila. But since nagbulacan kami a few days ago, tinry na rin namin to. Well-known sila sa pag-on basic na mga favorites natin, just like this chicken skin nachos na very makasalanan. But, syempre, sobrang sarap talaga nito. I mean, just look at that cheese. Grabe, solid talaga. Also, they have their chicken alaking large, and to test it, tinabi ko yung kamay ko na mas malaki pa siya, guys. Also, one of their house favorites, itong Salisbury steak na very filling talaga. And must try din itong Sanrisa's Parmesan chicken. I mean, look at that. We suggest you order their Tolits kebab platter as well, and then pair it with their shawarma rice. It's so good at nakakabusog. Ito rin talaga yung super mabenta sa kanila, chicharong bulaklak nachos. So, chicharong bulaklak, and then, ay, grabe. But one of the dishes that Tolits is really proud of is their peri-peri chicken that pinapatorch talaga nila before they serve para mas malambot yung chicken nila. As you can see, ito. You can also do this once you order it para matry nyo kung gaano kalambot yung meat ng chicken. And wala, mabubusog ka talaga kasi ang laki din ng serving nila. Plus, everything is affordable as well. So if I were you, try nyo na to.